So they're saying snow's coming, so I'm putting the rack on. I have an 01 Beetle, and this is a Yamaha setup. I have the crossbar and the support bars on mine. From the top of the windshield to here, I did 9 inches. From the bar to the back bar is 26. And then this guy is about as far. There's a little bump, so it's supported, clipped under there. Found this guy online. So it's a QTOWER set of 4. Front clips are Q1, 2, 3. The rears are Q98s. Round bars are, I think, 2-inch round bars, and they're 48 inches long. And the stretch kit is this bar here, which I think just helps it so it's a little stronger. And here's the measurements I did. Hopefully this helps someone save hours of looking online like I did today.